Okay, so the car that I have right here already has a bunch of hail damage because I did not have one of these. A brand sent me this hail cover for sedans, which is what this car is right here. So I went ahead and got this. I'm going to try it out today, and hopefully my future cars won't have this kind of damage that is on this car today. Let me show you guys. You can see all the hail damage on this car that there is on here already, and hopefully I can prevent that in the future. So you can see it comes in a really nice carrying case for whenever you're not using it. You can store it, whatever. Now they call this a hail cover because of how padded it is, but you can use it for maybe you have an ice storm coming, you have snow coming, something like that. You can use it for that as well. Just notice it says front right here, so it's going to let you know kind of where to start the cover at. See, it's covered. This is a universal cover, so pretty much any sedan is going to fit. This was a 2014 Ford Fusion. See, it's got some breather holes there for condensation. Covers everything up real well, and you can see it's very padded. See the pad on here? So that's going to prevent your, whenever hail hits, it's going to prevent the damage. So that's this cover. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.